with another video. This video is basically a Japan haul. I will be leaving a list down below of all the kits and how much I paid for them and where I got them from. Please hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to get notifications of the unboxing of all these kits. Now, to start with, got this LACUS CLYNE figurine. Stay tuned probably to at the end of the video I will be doing an unboxing of this one. Also got two of the Gundam CONVERGE. This one's the Gundam X as well as the Banshee. Also got the figurized bust of Athra and ZALA. Also lucky enough to find near 7-Eleven this gold injection of the Freedom Gundam. And got also Gundam base HG of BARBATOS. Picked up also the gold version of the Unicorn. Final stage green psycho frame of the Unicorn. And I also got the Perfectibility blue psycho frame Unicorn. As it's probably already given away, hence also the poster in the back. I do like my unicorns. Got the black frame system base. As well as the white one. Also got from Gundam base the debris parts. And the blue Aurora effect parts. Also got also Gundam base, the V Gundam versus SAZABI. And also got the SINANJU limited clear frame. And now more into the bigger kits. Got the mega size Unicorn. This one's with the headpiece LED. Let's bring this closer. Got the Deep Striker. This one here I found at NAKANO Broadway. This was about $20 cheaper than elsewhere that I looked. As I said, I'll leave the descriptions down below. And I got the perfect grade Gundam EXIA. This is the lighting mode kit. Now, I also picked up at Odaiba, next to the main Unicorn, there is like a little trailer which I picked up this book. This book does originally come in Japanese. This is the English version. And just to let you guys know, I picked two of these up. In coming future, I will be doing a giveaway for one of these, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get a notification. I will be organising the competition for one of these books. as I mentioned earlier, I'll do an unboxing of this one. Now this is from Mega House. This series comes the two figurines. As I mentioned, this one is the LACUS CLYNE one. Now I know you guys probably don't like to take these figurines out of the boxes, but I buy them so I can display them, each person to their own. I just try not to damage the boxes, so pretty much still holds a bit of value. Also comes the little harrow. Just chuck that there. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. As I mentioned, please subscribe, hit that bell. I do have that competition coming up, and also all the unboxings for these kits. And down below I'll be leaving a description of where I picked up all these kits, how much I paid, my recommendations on where to shop for best prices. Thanks for watching and see you next time.